In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion as a content creator. Whether you're just starting your journey or you're a seasoned pro, having an organized approach can drastically improve your productivity and creativity. Today, we'll walk through the process of creating an effective workspace within Notion that will help you manage your content creation process from idea inception to publishing. So let's dive in. First up, we'll build a content dashboard. Think of this as your central hub where all your content activities converge. Open Notion and create a new page. Say, you can name it something like Content Dashboard. Here's where you'll keep track of every aspect of your content creation workflow. The idea is to have a one-stop spot that gives you a quick overview of everything that needs to be done. Within this space, you can incorporate different sections. For instance, you could have quick links to your ongoing projects, deadlines, and brainstorming sessions. Feel free to experiment with adding widgets and toggles that make sense to your workflow. Next, let's move on to building a content ideas database. Open your newly created content dashboard page and add a database table. This will be a repository for all your content ideas, a place to capture and refine them. Make sure to include columns like status, platform, or media type, and idea notes. These columns will help you keep track of which stage each idea is at, whether it's still fresh and needing more development, in progress, or ready for publishing. It's also a good spot for categorizing your ideas according to platforms you plan to release them on, or any other criteria that matter to your strategy. Adding tags is another useful aspect to consider, as it allows for an additional layer of organization, enhancing your ability to filter and search later down the line. Finally, let's create a content calendar. This is pivotal for managing content schedules and launch timelines efficiently. Return again to your content dashboard and create a few more linked databases to effectively visualize your publishing schedule. Use a calendar view to map out when various pieces of content will go live. Each entry on this calendar can be linked to items in your content ideas database, and you can set them up as tasks or milestones. Feel free to integrate elements such as deadlines, drafts, and publishing dates, which helps provide a clear visual timeline of what's ahead. This calendar structure is incredibly handy for keeping yourself accountable and foreseeing potential overlaps or gaps in your content timeline. And there you have it. You've now set up an organized, efficient system in Notion tailored specifically for your content creation process. As you continue using it, feel free to revisit and refine your setup to better fit your evolving needs. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your productivity as a content creator. Happy creating!